So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher PC error code, circulation, pressure, sensor check and repair. So fix 1 is the hard reset. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug the power cord, wait exactly 5 minutes to drain the control board memory, restore power, run a quick test cycle. Second fix is clear sump basin and filter debris. Open the dishwasher door, remove the lower dish rack, twist and lift out the cylindrical fine filter mesh. Wash the filter under warm water with a soft brush. Reach into a sump hole under the filter. Feel for the remove hard debris like glass shreds, seeds or bone fragment. Reassemble the filter and lock it back into place. Third fix is unclog the spray arm. Plug off the lower spray arm, unclip and unscrew the middle spray arm, poke a toothpick and paperclip into the small spray hole, flush water through the spray arm over the sink. Verify water exit freely from all holes, snap the spray arm back into position. Fourth fix is inspect the water supply. Make sure the water supply valve is fully open. Check the inlet hose for kink or bend. Ensure adequate water pressure is reaching the dishwasher. Fifth fix is run an empty cycle. Empty the dishwasher, add detergent, run a normal cycle. Check if the PC error return. Thanks for watching.